Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to explore Munnar in a single day. Munnar is having 4 directions, but most of the places are in only one direction. It is Mattupetty direction. I'm gonna show you how to explore that direction in this video. Our first location is the photo point. Here you can click some beautiful pictures. There's no entry fee to enter the photo point. If you want to hire a professional photographer, it might cost you around 50 to 100 rupees. The best time to visit this place is in the mornings, as there won't be any crowd over there. Our second location is the Mattupetty Dam, which was built in 1953. There are many water activities, like you can go for boating for the cost of 300 rupees for an ordinary boat, and if you want to take a speedboat, then it might cost you around 500 rupees. You can also ride a horse over here, which might cost you around 50 rupees to 300 rupees. The water activities are from 9:30 am to 5 pm only. To explore Munnar, I hired an auto for a whole day, which costed me around 1300. So we were 3 people, so it was divided by 3. If you like these kind of travel videos, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Our next location is the shooting point, where most of the famous Bollywood and Tollywood movies are shot over here. In Munnar, Shah Rukh Khan's movie Chennai Express was shot. Our next location is the Echo Point. As the name suggests, if you shout over here, you will hear your voice as an echo. The ticket costs around 30 rupees for adults and 15 rupees for kids. The timings are from 6 am to 7:30 pm in the evening. The best time to visit is from November to May. After the Echo Point, you can visit the tribal village Viewpoint, from where you can spot the tribal village houses. After that viewpoint, you can go to the Kundala Lake. The dam is built on Periyar River and surrounded by the green western mountain ghats. You can enjoy the views over here and go for boating or horse riding. The cost of the boating is around 100 to 300 rupees, and the horse riding it might cost you around 150 to 300 rupees. The timings are from 9 am to 5 pm. The best time to visit is from November to May. There's no entry ticket for Kundala Lake. Kundala Dam is surrounded by the beautiful trees and all. The view is very beautiful from here. I enjoyed the view. After Kundala Lake, you can visit the top viewpoint, which is surrounded by green valleys, and it is one of the most visited places by tourists and adventure lovers. It is known as the top station because it was used to be a highest railway station in the valley. The traders used this method as delivery system to transport tea to the plains. If you enjoyed watching the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Comment down which was your favorite part of the video and share this with your family and friends with whom you are planning to visit Munnar.